Hi, I'm Dr. Moodoyan, and today we're going to be talking about the value of preventative health care for your pet. Most people know that veterinarians are here to help whenever your animal becomes sick or if they have a problem, but it's a lot more useful to focus on wellness care and keeping your animal well. As the old adage goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, and it's even more so important when we're dealing with animals who are not always able to effectively communicate when they might be having a problem. We see a lot of pets that come in just for routine checkups. We do recommend coming in twice a year for a wellness exam. And it's very common that the patient comes in and their owner reports they're not having any problems at home, everything's completely normal. They think that their animal is completely healthy. And we, as veterinarians, have been trained to use all of our senses, our eyes, our ears, our hands, to find areas where your pet may be sensitive or having a problem that you may not know. So it's very common for us to find things like ear infections, dental disease that needs to be addressed. We can talk to you about your pet's nutritional needs, whether they're overweight or underweight. Very commonly, we can detect the early stages of arthritis before it becomes obvious to the pet owner. And a lot of times, if we catch these problems early in the course of the disease, rather than wait until the animal is actually having symptoms, then we may be able to either prevent them from ever causing a problem or at least slow down the course of the disease. So we may be able to prescribe nutritional supplements. We may be able to talk to you about certain diets or exercise programs that can help your pet to be as healthy as they can. And then, of course, we can also discuss things like vaccines to help keep your pet healthy. We do evaluate each pet individually based on their risk factors. Vaccination is not a one-size-fits-all for all pets, so we'll make sure that we talk to you about exactly what the risk factors are for your pet so that we're vaccinating for the appropriate diseases. We can test for things like heartworm and intestinal parasites, which are things that are not detectable in many cases. There will be no symptoms until they get to a very late stage of disease. And we can talk to you about putting your pet on preventative programs to make sure that they don't become infected with heartworms or intestinal parasites. So, although it may seem like you end up bringing your pet in quite a lot, it's better for them to see us on a regular basis and deal with problems while they're small and correctable than to wait until they're truly sick and it's an emergency. So that's the value of bringing your pet in for wellness care, and we hope to see you soon.